Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Airbnb host payout to US bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Airbnb host payout to a US bank, start by logging into your Airbnb account. Navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Account from the drop-down menu. Select Payout Preferences from the options listed. Here, you will see your current payout method. If you haven't added a US bank account yet, click on Add Payout Method. Choose Bank Transfer as your payout option. Fill in your bank account information, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is entered accurately to avoid any issues. Once you've filled in your bank details, click Save. After saving, your new payout method will be listed under your payout preferences. To initiate a payout, go back to your dashboard. Click on your listings and select the listing for which you want to withdraw earnings. Find the payout section for that listing. Review any pending payouts that you may have. Click on Release Funds or the equivalent option available. You'll be prompted to confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the withdrawal process. Your payout will typically take a few business days to transfer to your bank account. Check your email for confirmation of the transaction. Monitor your bank account to ensure the funds are received. If you encounter any issues, visit the Airbnb Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.